Me lovely people, sometimes some story reach J Progress for share. That me I tell you say when them story they reach me, all down to me brain and my head shake up more while. Cause me have to say something where some people got through in a life, where they have to experience. Father, me beg that J Progress now have to experience them there's something there. Me people, a story reach me about this girl here. Young girl, she have a 4-year-old son, right? And this young girl here, baby daddy, don't pay her not dog of a mine. It come like from she drop the pitney. This a man you know look pan her. Every now and then, once in a blue moon, when him a look like a crutch, him draw up to the girl. This girl that come like him weak to this man. Even though the man treat her like dog, the man not take care of pitney, the man not pay them no mind. The uncle time like months and when this man feel like say, in one little crutch. Him circle this girl and this girl always fall feet. Then you don't know say, you have this Jamaican brother here, right? When they go up on the farm work and when run off some years ago and straighten up over America and I do him thing, right? Single and everything, him know this girl a long time. Come in, cause him know the girl long time, you know, but at the time when him know the girl was much younger, cause he's an older guy. The girl is all grown now, big woman now, have pitney with a 4-year-old and sitting, got you one hip a baby father drama, man problem. The man come to Jamaica, meet the girl, and do the little work in a bar. You know, hear me I say, this little girl here, you know, have a 4-year-old little pitney. She a work in a bar and she meet this man. Talking. Before the man even go back, things happen, whole heap of things happen. But it look like say the man like her. Them go on. The man go back, the man help her. Little things start change for her now. She start get little help. Can come like the man like her. I don't know what this girl do to the man, but all me know, the man like her and the man help her out. Help send the little youth guy in little school. Ray, make sure say the girl alright. Make sure say the youth alright. You hear me I say? Because I know every man believe in if you find a woman in a foreign, you know. Enough man, you know, me can't tell you this, you know. When they are foreign. Go back to Jamaica, go look their woman, you know. You hear me I say? He might deal with this woman here, you know, people. Right? And it's so up now that the man decides, you know, me want to give a girl a bus. Yeah, man, me want to give a girl a bus, man. Cause me like that girl and me and that girl on a good level and something. The man can't carry up the pitney and the woman alone him a go bring in. The girl decides say the mother can stay with the child. The man do what he do. Quick and fast, no waste no time. Do what he do. Over a year and sitting mash. In no time the girl think good. You hear me I say? They married up what them a do. Boom. Paperwork. Girl thing good you know. America. People. The girl and the man did it, you know. I wanna see. Sometimes you see. You see something happen in a life. And we as the people them will hear about it. Question it all the time. But something where some people go through in them lifetime, yeah, it not normal. It really break them into pieces. You know hear me I tell you? And at this reach the man, yeah. You don't know say after the girl did with the man for a while. Did they. Green card run. Girl did it. The man, you know. You don't know say over the time the man always want a little youth, you know. You hear me I say? Remember the girl have a youth, you know. And this man, you know, we bring her up, you know, want a youth, you know, because the man not have no youth. And him like the girl, he want a youth with the girl. You don't know say the girl did it. And that pillar all kind of sitting. And tell the man say you don't know why then in now get pregnant. Couple year run through. And people, the girl did it. The girl get her green card and everything. And got through. Got through him, did it with the man, can say him a wall out. Everything start out for the girl. I wanna believe me say. Would you guys believe me say? As soon as that girl do her citizenship into America, the girl gone. What me say the girl do? The same girl where the man go find in one bar at Jamaica, where down there struggle with the 4-year-old little pitney at the time. And this man you gonna go rate off the girl, meet him in a bar, and help her out and sit. Remember, you know, this girl baby daddy treat her like a dog, you know. Now look upon her, now mind him pitney, nothing. So when the girl get her thing, the girl go rent different place. And you see when the girl go rent different place, in a no time, divorce. What you think the girl do? You don't make a wild guess and tell me what you think the girl do. You don't just make a wild guess. You see the same dirty workless now no use daddy, baby daddy where this girl you have, when Nena mind him pitney when the girl at Jamaica, Nena do nothing for her. I don't know what kind of spell this man did have on this girl. After all these years, this girl got America where this man give him a bus. Go America, you know how long enough in America, must be about 4 to 5 years enough in America for. Before you can start out citizenship and all kind of same thing. Right? All them years they pass. People, would you believe me that? When the girl move out, and the girl file for her divorce, and everything come true, the girl go down to Jamaica, go marry the baby father, and paperwork gone in for baby father and pitney. You know see why sometimes some man egg chip? You know can't understand? You know can't understand why sometimes some man egg chip? Because better if this man when just stay and try find somebody in America. Because you go through all that they struggle, they go pick up girl down there. Has struggle with them pitney in a bar. And you did it before girl come America, take care of pitney, take care of girl, make sure say she alright, this, that, Ray. Bring woman come America till she good and gone. The next thing you know when she good, she go rent place. Divorce. Good on go married baby father. A file with pitney and baby father same time. The same baby daddy. When never did appear, no mind. So you see sometimes also woman stupid. You see? And people, me sorry say it was nothing where people keep up on a story because I don't think anytime you see that the baby daddy they good, gone in gone. No question asked about that. What kind of spell this man could have put on you so? Make somebody meet you in a no time them do all kind of sitting. Married you, they are foreign, you are a citizen now. You can't get to take up your little pitney now and all kind of same thing, woman. Eh? And you go back to the same old workless man. It better if you just give the man where did with you long time a little youth. No, instead you have your plans long time. So brothers, let me tell you this. You can't meet no woman anyway, you know. But you see some woman, anytime you find out, say, them and them baby father back and forth, and a half, love them. Stay far from woman like them there. You see when you meet a woman worse with have a youth, you meet a woman with have a youth, and you don't have nothing to do with him baby father because baby father work with and not pay him no mind. fine. But you see anyone with on and off with baby father, and I stay far from it. Because you go find yourself in a deep piece of problem. Look what reach this man here. Him head could have chip and him do crazy things, you know. Him head could have chip and him do crazy things. But me just a show you sometime. Whether man or woman, as long as them name human being, some of them, when you meet them and them have some ulterior motive there. But when them carry out them ulterior motive, the people, they lick anybody chip. This man could have done something, you know, unimaginably, you know. You hear me I say? But guess what? You see what no cost life? It no cost nothing. And you see karma? You see that something they will name karma? Remember me tell you say, karma bad mind, you know. Karma not like when you do something and you not do it back to you, you know. Karma like return the favor. I saw karma stay. That thing when name karma. It like return the favor. So you see what she do? We may never hear that story what happened in them life. But you see what she do? That same baby father may wait for him turn, get straight, get alright, and then him just cut and gone the far. Believe me when me tell you that. People, thank you for watching the channel like always. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, share and subscribe to the channel because we are on the road to 10k people and we know we can do it. We don't know my thing go already, you know, my people. We don't know my thing go already. We don't have to ask nobody nothing and nobody have to tell you nothing because we already know how J Progress got to work. Believe. One J Progress, no other. Believe.